Hi guys, this is something which I'm gonna show you. The problem is they call it, the error shows on this Canon is a P03. P03. I saw some guys were like opening here and say it's related to this, but anyway, there could be many things, but just know something is stuck, so the printer can't move or roll. So what I did, one of the first diagnostics, I put in this, forced in a laminated page. I forced it out to see if there's some paper jams. I couldn't find anything good, so but there's something stuck, so this thing doesn't move. So find a way, but this is one of the best thing to try. So find a way to see if you can win, but based on what I'm telling you. So look at that. Can you see this? I'm trying to show you based on the experience I'm finding now. My findings then you can see that there, inside there, on the corner, in the corner there, by the corner, I don't know if you guys gonna see, there is, I'm using a big camera, I can't see there, but can you see exactly there? What is that? This is a paper. Okay, after cleaning that, when you clear that, try to roll this paper, this whatever is gonna be there. There's a gear somewhere there, this gear. You saw that gear, blue gear, that one? I'm trying to roll it, but it doesn't roll. You get me? Trying to move it, doesn't move. If you can't see, there's no problem. Try to the gear which is on the right side, right? So if you try to roll it and doesn't roll, well, this is just to highlight on what could be possibly the problem. You get me? That gear there, you see that gear there, that gear on the left hand side, so it rolls up things. But then what I discovered is simple. So scroll the head here, I discovered something. Something is not aligning well, something is not going well. Okay, what you do, roll this head, let the head go that side. You can see at the corner there, on that sensor, you can see a paper there. So some people could advise you to take out this guy. Once you take out this part, you'll be able to do what? To go in there. So now I've discovered my own issue is that guy there, that you can see, I think you can clearly see there's a paper there by the end. If I take my stuff here, you can see there's a paper. This paper where I'm putting this, this is a paper. You can see it's a paper stuck in there. So work on all this section. You must find that there's a paper stuck or something stuck, making this not to roll. So that's one of your, that is the problem. That problem is pointing to something which doesn't move. That's why I saw that some people check here by the back there, by the feeder tray there, by the feeder, by the end. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna clear that, then I'll see you in the next video.